Hi, I am Harleen Kaur, a student of CSE COE. I thank the CRC department for giving us great job opportunities and the TPP department for making us competent to get placed at the top-notch companies by making us prepared by running a 360-degree placement training program. My journey at CGC has been great and I'm happy that I made the most of these 4 years at CGC. I had been into anchoring, have been lucky enough to have the opportunity to host some national level techno-cultural fests like Parivartan and some educational events like the Smart India Hackathon feedback session. Also, I've been into sports, anchoring, debates, declamations and a lot more, and had been fortunate enough to win some medals for the college. But I owe it to my parents and teachers who have given me such opportunities. I thank my HODs and faculty members for always being so supportive. I also thank the DSW department for all the extracurricular activities, for all the opportunities they had given me in these college days. I also suggest all my fellow CGCians to take part in all the extracurricular activities because they are really important for the overall development of a student, and the companies too look for all-rounders these days. My journey at CGC has been great, and someone has rightly said that success is a journey, and so has my journey proved to be a successful one by getting placed, and I'm sure this would help me give a boost to my career. Thank you, CGC.